Little bit of damage. It's not really damage, it's just so he remembers that he's done this track. How much of a go do you want to give it?
I'll give it a bit. It's got to pop it a little.
Okay, I'm on the low side of him here. Gonna move up a bit. You can have your little break now. You're not sweating in there?
Oh, a little bit.
That'll polish out. Or maybe. And I said I had a band-aid fix for the little scratch. Done.
Crazy. Look how high they are.
That was a cool run. I'm so glad we put the 4.7s back in, Brian. The road building has begun. That's right, this pretty little Jeep is, well, it's actually not little, but pretty Jeep's coming up Krawler lane. You're delirious. You're still not out of the woodworks, you're gonna winch up and you want it to still square down.
I feel sick.
Look at that. With custom bread and a wicked salad.
Yay!
Oh, the Yamahas are lined up, ready to be covered for bedtime tonight.
Hey, one of them doesn't look cool, it doesn't have a sticky kit.
Which one?
The far one.
Oh, that's
one.
the farm bike. The
one.
farmer doesn't have money for
the
a sticky
heavy
kit.
one.
You rode it today.
Yeah.
You said you want to keep it.
Sorry, it's the fast and heavy one.
Oh, it's fast, is it? Oh, nice.
It's
the truth comes
big
out.
back though.
Oh, the big back. Yeah, it's a heavy bugger. We've got people coming in, and hopefully we have one of our fellow participants for the 24-hour join us. Tomorrow morning we will be taking on Krawler Lane. Oh, bang! It's going to be doing a bit of bang tomorrow. For those of you towing with long trailers or big vans, there's one just before the turn off in, and you will kiss the back bumper. It's funny, I get people when we're traveling say, why is your van so high? Why do you need your van so high for? Well, spots like that, it's not high enough. What do you know, a NISSAN towing a NISSAN. Alright, we've got two cars doing the gully run. He might be pulling me out. He's actually the participant that's following me in the actual event. So he's cut 4, I'm cut 3. Yeah, it's still down. Road open. Well, it's got a new navvy.
No, I don't think so.
Look out, Max. We're off to do Krawler Lane. We've got Josh behind us in little rig. Here we are, the rigs are ready. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So having driven leaf sprung Hiluxes all my life, spending half of that time modifying and trying to make better, trying to make stronger. Those that follow would have seen a few years back, Brian did that 80 series front diff conversion, but we were still never 100% happy with where the tie rod and drag link were on the 80 series. I mean, look at it working here. Now that's after having done the Hellfire knuckles from Rough Stuff Specialties, where we're putting those two items, the drag link and the tie rod, back in the front on top of the leaf springs. Running the N80 rears in the front, working so well. The 80 series RCVs, the high pinion 80 series center, still its weakest link, although maybe not true because we have been breaking transfer cases prior to the diff. We had that one diff that went on us at Eastern Creek at one of the URC rounds, but other than that, I mean, the front end has held up amazingly. The hydro assist ram there, which we had to modify the sump when we did do the Hellfire knuckles due to the size of them. My only little downfall would be that I wish it was maybe an inch lower just for the side angles and the fallover factor. But with the 40s, it just can't happen with the setup we've got. I'm not into cutting the inside of the guards out or moving anything in the engine bay. Now on the day of the event, we're all going to have window nets in, so it's not going to be as simple as sticking your head over the edge to see where you want your wheel and where the rock is. You're going to have trust in your navigator. He or she are the ones that know where your wheels are. It's all about listening to who can see. Alright, so we've got successfully to a little rest stop. Now we're going to get the little rig up. Wonder how the shorty will go. Josh is mad for his wheeling. He's also got a single seater buggy, building a double seater buggy. Loves it. Bring it on. You've turned a rock up. What a mess. Just go down so you can see this. Stop. Oh, yeah. You've turned this up. Nice. Bit of a side angle. How good's this? A couple of coffees, straight into some hard wheeling. Big hole. He's only running a 37. So it's one of the smaller tyres in the group. Oh, turning up. Nice. Just straighten up. Oh, staying away from that tree excellently. Is that a word? Excellently. Oh, he's touching the tree. Through. New carbon winch on today too. We'll get to see that in action. All right, I'm on the low side of him here. Gonna move up a bit. Nice drive. Heaps of traction, eh? Good. All right, so he's going up. He's going higher up the wall. I kept the wheel on this rock. Misses it by. Oh, well done. Knows his car. Whew. All right, back in the bullet.
Can you see how hard it is even to walk up these big rocks, Mills? Crazy. Look how high they are.
The size of you. Alright, let's go. Dad!
Oh, this is steep, this bit.
Stop turning that way now.
I'm gonna square up in that top section now. Woo! Look at
Big
this.
diff rock there. Come in.
put the 4.7s back in, Brian. I just had so much control. Can I stop? Is there enough room behind me? You don't know how steep that feels when you're in the car. Now look, I do have an advantage over most here because this is what, my third time on this track now. Still the adrenaline that I've got, I'm just so pumped to be driving stuff like this. The shorty here with a smaller tyre, shorter wheelbase. You got him, yeah?
Yep.
He's got good reduction in gears too. All right, you grab him from behind now, tuck into a corner somewhere where he doesn't run you over. Oh, look at that side angle. That's his door. Door! He's got to go higher. Let me go help it. Cameraman down. Yeah, nice. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, send it the other way now. Beautiful. Whew. Wow, nice climb. Oh yeah, spiky bush. All right, this here is a climb. Got the line, but what's the short wheelbase going to feel like? Good reduction. Oh, he's got to turn in now. Right, so this is where your pivot point. Oh, the short wheelbase, look at that. His tyres there way before mine was. Nice. No problem. Alright, we're going to go back over to the passenger side. See how he gets around this. Just caught a few people out at the last challenge. Keeping it high to miss the rock. Look at that. Perfection. Alright, other 37's gonna be his downside here. No, it's still going. Bit right, that's it, nice. Come back left. Come back left a bit.
Left.
You're coming, nice. Oh, wheel left, who's got that? I'm on the downside of him. Woohoo! Hold. If you go, yeah, you got it, well done. That probably didn't even feel like it was in the air, did it?
Downside of no suspension.
Oh, that's amazing. His short wheelbase, you just ate that corner, like where it took me a few, like quite a while to get my back wheel hitting it, and then the 37s didn't really pose a problem. No. Do you feel like you're underdone with 37s for the challenge? No, because this doesn't get much harder than this.
No, 40s are too big.
The what?
40s are too big.
40s are too big, but I got the 80 series diff, so we're kind of similar because you got a high pinion rear. You're hitting less than I am. Now, just as Josh switches his motor off, we hear a vehicle at the base of Krawler Lane, and then I hear my name get called out. So yeah, Mike has shown up. He's here to do the track with us in his Jeep. That's right, this pretty little Jeep is, well, it's actually not little, but pretty Jeep's coming up Krawler Lane.
It's not that pretty either.
Oh, well, it's compared to what's on the hill at the moment.
Yeah, that's true.
So what are the mods to this? These are 37s,
Yeah,
Geolanders.
3.5, 37s, aftermarket axles, aftermarket diffs, G2 axle aftermarket.
Okay.
Crate axle.
Oh,
ARB
yeah,
lockers.
okay.
Yeah, 513s.
Yeah, wow. So this will crawl.
With an auto as well.
Oh, it's auto too.
5-speed auto.
You've wanted to give this hill a go. You've walked it a few times for us in the past.
Sure has.
And how does it drive on the road with these?
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, so the hydro assist takes care of most of the road maintenance.
Yep.
So yeah, but there's basically no feedback from the road anymore.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I bet you people look.
Yeah,
No?
oh, people do, yeah, they do. But like it's more people like wave and stuff, like
Yeah,
they're keen on it.
Yeah.
You know?
That's cool. Righto, Josh, your spotting or my spotting? Who's taking responsibility of a
I'm not
scrape?
taking responsibility.
I don't know how to spot. Last time I spotted, my car did a front flip. Nice, drive it. Yeah, drive it.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, he's on his own, yeah. We're just contemplating who's going to take responsibility of putting your wheels somewhere if you need help. We're both scared.
I'm happy just to
There's only really 1 or 2 lines in there anyway. It's not like you've got heaps of choice. All right, we're dropping in. A different sound. It doesn't have that of a diesel. See that though? That picked the front wheel up already, did it not? Oh, the auto would be so good. Where's he going here? Yeah, that's good. Ooh, watch that door, keep driving it. Keep coming.
Get on a little bit.
Watch Josh. Yeah, it's not an amazing amount of front flex, is it? Mike's helped us out quite a bit. He's one of the camera guys at our event. You're at full. Why does that CV not go bang? Because it's strong. Look at it, it's red. Alright. Oh, the stick. So what are you going to think now? Just put him...
I'm just straight up here. It should be alright. Yeah, right around it. That'll probably work.
You got to watch him on this tree.
Yeah.
He's got no bar work on the roof.
I wonder if you send him up the rock.
Mate, hats off that he's even in here. Seriously. Oh, keep it up. Yeah, nice. All right, we got to think about this. Just chill. Oh, he's getting... Ooh. Wait, you might want to just go back a bit and come up higher on that rock. You do it.
Just cut. See if it'll let you come up this little step.
I'm going to shut my eyes. Should we pack that? Keep going. A little bit slow though, slow, nice. We're still not out of danger, are we? Oh, he's past the mirror. Oh, slow. You got to turn. Rob, watch the mirror. Whoa. Can you fold them or are they?
Yeah, go for it. This back tire's still got probably almost a metre
Okay.
before it starts to climb, that's all.
Oh, how's that gonna miss?
Go back a bit, we've got some rocks in here.
Yeah, get some rocks. There's blue paint on that one. Where'd that come from? I'm just going to drop this way here. What do you think?
Oh, it's sweet.
I know, but I don't know if we can keep you off it.
Yeah, look, I just don't want to be on it super hard.
No, okay.
Yeah,
Because that's just plastic up there, right?
plastic.
Okay.
Yeah.
You heard it straight out of his mouth. No lawsuits. It feels like he wants to go drivers. He's going drivers, but he's further past it. That was awesome. Your tyres on it. That's perfect. Keep coming. You're on. Go a little bit right, I feel.
No, it's past it. It's just
You're on your bar now.
you flare to push the cab away a little bit. Yeah, it's on the tube part.
Oh, I can't believe it. You missed. Don't leave your spotter behind. So I'm not surprised that Mike's put his hand up to put this kind of a rig through this kind of a track. I wheeled with him many years ago and he had a Ford Ranger, and I thought back then that he was putting that in places it shouldn't have gone. Nice. Woo. That's how you save your tyres. You keep them in the air. Oh, look at that. Killed it. Yeah, that's nice. It wasn't me that scratched your rim. Not scared, that's for sure. Start to straighten a bit. Go right hand down. Nice. It's got good gearing. Bugger. Nice. You got to turn into that rock. Go back a bit. You're going to wedge in. Just turn a little bit left as you come up. That's better. Yep. All right, now do whatever you think. Yeah, you can turn a little bit. Slow. Oh, watch the drop. Yeah, you keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Right hand down. Just a little bit. And what's the back doing? No, go back. Just. There's nothing really stopping him keeping on going. Josh is talking to him, that's why he's doing something. I think they're going to put a rock under that back wheel. Way! Oh, I feel like he nearly had it. You're sending him right back.
I'm not sure what he's doing.
Oh, I thought you were telling him.
Nah.
He was nearly up.
The rock was hooking his rear flare.
Watch that door. This wheel's going to climb. It's going to bring you off the ground a bit more if you come up straight. And then, okay, now start to turn, I think. What are you scraping? Oh, you're lucky the flares are so wide, it's keeping it off your body. You might have to back and fill here. You can't disconnect the rear, can you? I think just try what you were doing and then hopefully it pivots on that back step. Now turn. Turn to me, because it's gonna pivot on that, don't you think?
Yeah.
But just slow, everything in slow motion. Oh, he's got to be sweating in there. Whoa, whoa, door, come forward. Oh man, nah, stop. Wow, is that the time? We're gonna finish this episode and Mike hasn't even reached bullet or lil rig yet. Join us in the next episode to find out if he can and then the rest of the track out of here. Yo! So there to my right, where I had been parked up for a little while, old mate had been watching. Not sure if he was interested in the TTR or a bit of my flesh. Beautiful animal. And speaking of beautiful animals, this reptile basking in the sun at camp near the caravan. Shell got that on video too. Beautiful. So Shell found this interview footage when we came back into camp after that 10K dirt bike loop that we did on Jackhammer.
And of course, that's the cave behind us.
That was the hardest riding I've ever done in my life.
Really? Of course, there's a cave behind us.
That was because of the dust. It's because of the dust.
You're not gonna believe this. I only fell over once. They fell over twice.
They fell
I
over
was
twice?
almost off the cliff.
Yeah.
I went down a hill in neutral and I almost went off the cliff.
What did we say about
I
neutral?
had to fall.
What did we say about neutral?
Can the Jeep make it? I hope you enjoyed this one. And as always, thanks for watching. Yeah.